Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers and a little pug named Sammy. He will be in this video, of course. He always is. I have several spots in my house that I want to declutter and get ready for summer vacation when I have 2 teenagers running around. My whole house is full of clutter right now and I just want to get rid of everything. I'm starting in my dining room with this china hutch that my mother-in-law gave me. It was my grandmother-in-law's, and when she gave it to me, it was full of all kinds of interesting things. So I'm going to go through everything and put it in a donate pile, in a trash pile. Yes, some things were actual trash, and another pile that my husband is going to go through and see if we need to give it back to my mother-in-law or what we're going to do with it. Some of it was 25-year anniversary, 50-year anniversary kind of things, more sentimental type things that my mother-in-law might have missed when she gave this to me. So also it came with a lot of silver. So I know nothing about polishing silver, so if you leave a comment below about what I can do to bring it back to its former glory. A lot of it had lost its luster and was a bit tarnished, so just leave a comment below if you have any tips for me on how to polish my silver.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
A lot of you had recommended the Murphy oil soap in my previous video where I had shared with you the hutch. I did wipe down pretty much every single crevice of this hutch, and unfortunately it's still sticky and there's still sort of a residue on it. I'm not quite sure what I can do other than just prime and paint like I intended to do. I know the hutch looks beautiful, and I know a lot of you are cringing at the fact that I might actually paint this, but I honestly think it's going to be for the best. I even need to reline the drawers. Some of the drawers are chipping up. I'm really excited about this project. I'm not going to rush into it though. It's going to be a big project, but I'm really excited to do that makeover.
Fever, I know nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go, 'cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait.
This is the bathroom that gets the most use in our house. Everyone likes to hang out downstairs, so we just use this one because it's the most convenient. So I kind of like to do a daily clean on this, that way I can keep it guest ready.
You don't need to be afraid, and I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the, I'll be with you always.
ran out of my Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser, so I'm using an old friend, barkeeper's friend, to shine my sink up.
So go, 'cause you're taking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always, you don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always, you don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the
I am trying out the Method degreaser on my stove to see if that works. Like I said, I'm out of my Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser, so I'm just trying some new products and some old products until I can find that in stock at my local Target.
meet you at the No time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't see.
I'm trying to declutter my life, so we are unfortunately going to get rid of our piano. My daughter and husband love to play it, but I think it would be best if we got like a smaller portable little piano keyboard instead of this big huge piano, and that way I can get rid of some of the furniture in our living room, and I also have somewhere to place my other white hutch. I can't get rid of the white hutch, it means too much. This red dresser was another thing that I have been aching to get rid of. We brought it downstairs to use as like a bar during Christmas, and it stayed down here and just got filled with junk, just a bunch of junk. So I'm finally going through it and putting it back upstairs in my son's room. That way he can have more clothes space, and I'm so happy to get rid of it out of my living room.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queen.
I probably should have decluttered this chest in my living room as well, but hey, I'll save that for another day. I did not realize how much stuff was in there already.
Without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going, back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard.
Sammy is always sleeping when I want to make my bed. I'm gonna disturb him this time because I didn't the last couple times, but yeah, he is always sleeping and always annoyed that I'm disturbing his bed.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Babe, I gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing. Bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving till we're drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight.
I love this little table that my husband picked up for me. He bought it for about $8 at a Savers and brought it home to me from one of his travels, and it is literally perfect to have beside the bath. It holds all my vitamins, which I take in the bath. That way I remember, because I take a bath bomb every night, and yeah, it's like the perfect little size.
Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving till we're drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlights. Just the high feel living in the highlight drift. Just the highlight twist on the high life. I'm
Hopefully this video gave you some massive cleaning and decluttering motivation. That's why I do these videos, to get you guys up and to tackle everything that's on your to-do list to clean all the things. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning videos twice a week. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers that come back week after week and leave all the sweetest little comments. I totally appreciate you guys. Like, you are the reason why I do this. And hopefully everyone has an amazing Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully you get some awesome barbecue and enjoy family time.
Love me for days straight. Love me, my mind. Love me for days straight.